Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most profitable business models that you can start from your own home, that is a print-on-demand business. And we're going to dive deep into how you can use AI to make it even more successful. So, if you're interested in creating your own profitable print-on-demand business, make sure you watch this video till the end. Before we start talking about AI, let's first understand what print-on-demand actually means. In a print-on-demand business, you don't keep an inventory of products. Instead, you only print the product once a customer places an order. This way, you don't have to worry about storing, managing, or shipping products. It's a great business model for those who want to start their own business without investing too much money upfront. Creating high-quality designs is one of the most important aspects of running a successful print-on-demand business. Luckily, there are many AI-powered design tools available that can help you create beautiful designs for your products without any design experience. One such tool is Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that uses AI to suggest design elements and layouts based on your preferences. With Canva, you can easily create designs for your products, social media posts, and marketing materials. And the best part is, you don't need any design experience to use Canva. Another tool that can help you with designing your products is Designhill. Designhill is an AI-powered graphic design platform that allows you to create custom designs for your print-on-demand products. You can either choose from their library of pre-made designs or create your own using their easy-to-use design tools. If you're looking for a more specialized tool for t-shirt designs, then you might want to check out Placeate. Placeate is an AI-powered t-shirt design platform that allows you to create custom designs for your t-shirts. With Placeate, you can choose from a wide range of pre-made templates and customize them to suit your needs. For those looking for something a bit more sophisticated, Artisto is an AI-powered app that allows you to transform your photos and videos into stunning works of art. With Artisto, you can create unique designs for your print-on-demand products that stand out from the crowd. These are just a few examples of the many AI-powered design tools available in the market. When choosing a tool, make sure you evaluate its features, pricing, and ease of use to determine if it's the right fit for your business. Once you have your designs ready, it's time to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to create your store. These platforms have all the tools you need to create a professional-looking online store, and they're easy to use even if you have no prior experience. Now that you have designed your products and set up your online store, it's time to choose a print-on-demand service that will fulfill your orders. There are many print-on-demand services available in the market, each with their own set of features and pricing. Here are a few options to consider. Printful. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand services that offers a wide range of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. Printful integrates with most major e-commerce platforms and offers automatic order fulfillment and shipping. Gooten. Gooten is another popular print-on-demand service that offers a wide range of products, including apparel, home decor, and accessories. Gooten offers competitive pricing and integrates with most major e-commerce platforms. Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand service that offers a wide range of products, including clothing, home decor, and accessories. Printify allows you to create your own custom products and offers competitive pricing. Teespring. Teespring is a print-on-demand service that specializes in t-shirts and apparel. Teespring offers a wide range of customization options and integrates with most major e-commerce platforms. These are just a few examples of the many print-on-demand services available in the market. When choosing a service, make sure you evaluate its features, pricing, and quality of products to determine if it's the right fit for your business. Now that you have your store set up, it's time to start marketing your products. And yes, you guessed it right, we're going to use AI for that too. There are many AI-powered marketing tools available that can help you target the right audience, optimize your ads, and increase your sales. One such tool is AdEspresso. AdEspresso is an AI-powered ad optimization tool that helps you create and optimize your Facebook and Instagram ads. With AdEspresso, you can easily test different ad variations, target the right audience, and optimize your ad budget for maximum ROI. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills to use AdEspresso. Another tool that can help you with marketing is Hootsuite Insights. Hootsuite Insights is an AI-powered social listening tool that helps you monitor and analyze social media conversations about your brand and products. With Hootsuite Insights, you can track your brand reputation, understand your audience better, and identify trends and opportunities to engage with your customers. These are just a couple of examples of the many AI-powered marketing tools available in the market. When choosing a tool, make sure you evaluate its features, pricing, and ease of use to determine if it's the right fit for your business. Before we wrap up this video, I want to share some tips that can help you succeed in your print-on-demand business. First of all, focus on creating high-quality designs that are unique and eye-catching. Secondly, make sure your online store is easy to navigate and your products are easy to find. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies, and always keep track of your results. So, there you have it, guys. That's how you can create a profitable print-on-demand business using AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.